Borguna English Language Club is committed to developing your child's creative talents. Hello, I'm Srilekha. I'm standing in a paddy field. Here the farmer has sown paddy seeds. The seeds are growing quite big. The seeds look so good. In the old days, plow, yoke and cow were used to cultivate the land. The plow and yoke were tied to the shoulders of two cows. The farmer would hold the plow and the cow would pull the plow. The cows would get weak while pulling the plow. During the agricultural season, the cows would become skeleton by working hard. Now is the era of science. The land is cultivated with tractors. The land has to be cultivated at least 3 times to make the soil sticky. Again, the sticky soil has to be leveled with a ladder. Then the farmer sows paddy on that land. It takes 30 to 40 days for the seeds to grow from that paddy. The farmer has sown seeds here. Paddy requires sufficient sunlight to grow. There is a lot of sunlight here. There is a tubal here. The farmer regularly irrigates the seed field from this tubal. If the roots of the seeds are wet, they grow quickly. Farmer apply fertilizers to get good crops. Farmer regularly apply pesticides to protect against insect infestation. Farmer grow paddy at the cost of many sacrifices. They make rice from this paddy and sell it in the market. We easily buy rice from the market for money. It must be said, the farmer are the driving force of our economy. We all should respect farmers. Farmers must be saved to strengthen the economy. Have a good day. See you again in a new place. Goodbye.
সুপ্রিয় দর্শক মণ্ডলী, সবাইকে শুভেচ্ছা। আমাদের বরগুনা ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাব একটি সৃজনশীল প্রতিষ্ঠান, একটি স্বেচ্ছাসেবী প্রতিষ্ঠান। আমাদের ক্ষুদে শিক্ষার্থীরা ওরা আমাদের বরগুনার সুনাম ছড়িয়ে দেবে বিশ্বময়। ওরা আমাদেরকে নিয়ে যাবে দেশ থেকে দেশান্তরে। আপনারা সবাই আমাদের সাথে থাকুন, আমাদেরকে এগিয়ে নিন। আমরা আপনার সন্তানকে বিশ্বজয় স্বপ্নই দেখাবো। সে পর্যন্ত সাথেই থাকুন। শুভকামনা। আবার আসসালামু আলাইকুম।